My biggest win as a result of joining Excel University has been the level of my Excel knowledge has increased exponentially without very much effort involved in doing so. My name is Sherry Barnes Fox. Currently, I am a contractor working for Signature Consultants, and the client is Medtronic, who is a medical device company. And my title is Project Analyst. There were certain functions and certain things I just simply couldn't grasp. I mean, I've read the various web pages and watched the videos to understand, and somehow between there and here, I just couldn't get it, you know? And then during the process of Excel University, all of a sudden, it's like, there you go, I got it. I understand, finally. It was like magic. I have like 5 and 6 criteria I'm working into my actual formula in order to get those counts accurate. And because I am so comfortable with those formulas now, with those functions, that I just whip through it like it's nothing, like it's just a basic sum, and I can get that back to my boss or a coworker immediately, and they can move on and deadlines are met because I don't have to stumble through anything. As a result of the automation, I'm not the only one that can actually do this test. That was another issue. Only I could do it, and if I wasn't available, if I was out sick, it could not get done. Now there are multiple people that are trained in the process. It's a much simpler process. I did the Google thing. Everybody has. I found the problem with doing the Google thing is most of the time you don't know what exactly you're looking for. You know you need to do something. You can't describe it. You're like, okay, I need to do this, but you can't really put it into words in order to search for it. And if you can't figure out what you need to search for, you can't find it. Recently, I had built a workbook as a result of some of the additional functions I had learned. And I created a logbook that logged all the results. And the results were time-based, which goes up all the way up to the powers that be that make the money. Turns out we had saved over 3,000 man-hours in 6 months to do this, as well as over $230,000. Do the webinar, and after sitting with Jeff for an hour, you'll realize you absolutely have to do this. And I've received multiple personal emails from Jeff when I have gotten stuck. I just felt stupid because I just couldn't figure it out, and I know I should have. And he was very encouraging, and it is very hands-on with all the students, and I felt really good. And it's like I went back in an hour later, figured out the puzzle, and was able to move on. But it's that personal one-on-one and encouragement I received from him that I'm more than just a financial commodity to him. It's a personal thing. Although he's an MVP and knows this stuff inside out and backwards, it's presented in a way that a basic user, intermediate or advanced, can comprehend and bring that new information into their wheelhouse so they can immediately start utilizing it on a daily basis.